Alright, so we've got that scraper.py on the desktop. Now if you double click it normally, which we don't have to do right now, but if you did, it would run the program like usual, but now we can actually edit the source. So we can right click on it, let's go to open with, and choose another app, and let's choose Atom, the text editor we just downloaded. Should come up as one of these options, hopefully. Look around for another app. I think there's a link to it on the desktop. Yeah, choose Atom. Okay, sweet. So it's going to open that up, and we're doing this so that we can actually add in additional XPath selector information for our scraper, so that as the websites change, we're able to handle that that versatility. Oh, maybe you have to open Atom once first on its own, so it like updates or something. Oh, let's double click on the scraper. Double click Atom. we could start the recording over if you want, but let's give it a sec to open up. Yeah, you can do File, Open. You can just go to File, Open, File, and then from the desktop. Same idea, yeah. Choose scraper.py. Nice. So there it is. Okay, so close out of all this shit. So you can just click on all these X's, little X's up there. Yeah, close out of that. Give it just all the. There we go. Nice. So now, if we look at this source file, if you scroll down a little bit, we should see something called XPath model number. Okay. So up here, here is the XPath model number. You can go ahead and highlight that so it's very clear. So this is the XPath model number. So what we see is this like list of XPath things. So I'll show you how that would work. So real quick, we've got our first one, then a comma, and they're just inside the quotes. These brackets here just denote that it's a list. So the first bracket and then the second bracket says like it's a list of things. But if we want to add another one, we could just add like another, another XPath selector right here, and we just have to put a comma afterwards. Yet another XPath selector right here. They're always within single quotes. So you take whatever the XPath selector is and you put it in between these quotes. So finally another one right here, and we can keep doing this. We can keep going and actually just putting them in, putting the comma, and this will work. But what the program will do is it'll check each of these XPath selectors, and once it finds one that works, it'll use that. So it'll go through them top to bottom and find one that works. All right, so now as to actually getting the XPath selector, we can do that in a separate recording, perhaps.